What is the vibrational universe? It's an exciting and empowering way to look at life, connecting the spiritual and the material. The vibrational universe concept unites spirituality, science, and common sense. Have you ever been with a group of people who all had the same idea while yours was different? Didn't you feel a pressure to change your mind, even though you didn't want to? This phenomenon, which we call peer pressure, is responsible for a lot of goofy and destructive ideas on our planet. Like the war on terrorism or patriotic beliefs that say, we have to make war on other countries so we may have what we want. Peer pressure can be explained by the concept of vibrational influence or entrainment. Entrainment is defined as the tendency for two oscillating bodies to lock into phase so that both vibrate in harmony. It can also be defined as a synchronization of two or more rhythmic cycles. For example, when two pulsing heart muscle cells are brought close together, each begins to pulse synchronously. The discovery of entrainment is linked to the Dutch scientist Christian Huygens. While working on the design of a pendulum clock, Huygens discovered that when two clocks were placed on a wall near each other, and their pendulums swung at different rates, they would eventually wind up swinging at the same rate. This occurs because of their mutual influence on one another. It also shows the tendency for things to want to come into balance. In a vibrational universe, it is possible for one vibration to entrain another. For example, one bell in a room full of bells, when struck, will generate a sympathetic response from all the bells attuned to that note. A more powerful vibration entrains or influences the weaker one to it. From the scale of emotion, vibration, you can see that positive emotion is a more powerful vibration than negative emotion. As a person moves up the scale, he or she becomes more alive, healthy, and intelligent. In general, we can say that an apathetic person is listless and dull, whereas a happy person is energetic and capable. Therefore, a higher emotion is more powerful than a lower one. The adoption of a positive vibration must inevitably sublimate, that's purify or refine, a lower one. That's why we have the saying, love always conquers hate. Hate is the lower harmonic of the vibration of love. Positive emotion is life force. Negative emotion is a blocking or distortion of life force. Therefore, negative emotion is a lower harmonic of something more positive. Darkness is just an absence of light. The point is, mankind resonates to scarcity, conflict, and war, not because it's inherently more powerful, but because it is the currently established vibrational pattern. Because so many individuals resonate to these outdated and irrational concepts, it's become the dominant vibration on our planet, entraining thought and action to it. Is the situation hopeless? Of course not. An understanding of the vibrational universe concept tells us it's always possible to establish a new vibrational resonance around more positive concepts like cooperation, harmony, prosperity, and the recognition of individual self-worth. In fact, if our species is to survive, we must do this.